This is the last step. It's time to manipulate it a little bit. Let's change some colors. Let's maybe add some, just play around with some of the line. So you can take your objects with your white direct selection arrow and you can select your objects. And I'm going to pull up my swatches here and I can start playing with color, okay? And I'm going to zoom in here. Notice that you can see the actual pen lines from the marker that I used. It's going to have a really hand-drawn quality to it. You can select more than one object by click holding and dragging. It's going to select anything in that box. I can also use the eyedropper tool. So let's say I select this, hold the shift key, selecting all these shapes at the same time. I can take my eyedropper and pick up the color that I've already applied somewhere else. Or if you have the color swatch saved, you can pick your eyedropper or come over to your swatches and just click the color that you want. So you've adjusted the color maybe, and you've also had to maybe take some of the inside here. If it filled it, you might need to delete it. If it came in looking like that, you might need to delete it. You can also add some extra things. Like if I have the paintbrush tool here, I can draw, so I can add some extra little things if I wanted to. And then I could take my brush tool and I could try different brushes. Here's some different like textured brushes, and so maybe I try that textured brush. I could add more. You don't have to, but if you want to just kind of play around with it a little bit, that works too. When you're all finished, you are going to save it. So File, Save As, and you're going to save it as a PDF, just like we did with the last project. Make sure your name is in the file title and what the project is. R. Paulson _ hand lettering. Make sure you tell it where you want to save it to. So go to your documents and put it in the folder that we saved and hit save. That is the PDF that you are going to submit to Canvas. That's it.